Melissa, this is serious. This is tips on the go. This is serious work right here. Okay, guys. So tip on the go. Make sure you ask the bride and groom what's most important to them, so that way you capture it. So make sure you ask the bride and groom like what's more important to them on the day of the wedding, so that way you can capture what's most important to them on the day of the wedding, okay? Because if you don't ask them what's most important to them, you're not gonna know what to capture. So make sure you ask them like, oh, so what's the most important thing to you on this day? So that way, you know, you can be able to capture that instead of just assuming that they want this and that captured. You know, you gotta ask, you gotta let them know, you gotta, you know, they gotta let you know like what's the most important thing to them on the day of the wedding. Because a lot of people, there's a lot of different things to everybody. Everybody has like different importance, you know, like, oh, I want the, make sure you get the cake cutting, make sure you get the first dance and this and that, you know, make sure you get me going down the aisle from this angle or something like that, or make sure you get some drone shots, or make sure you get, you know, I really want my dad dancing with my mom or whatever. So make sure that you ask the bride and groom what's the most important thing to them on the day of the wedding that they really want you to capture. So that's that, guys. That's that. All right, guys, just give me a quick minute here. We'll get back to the video. So I just created a course for all you guys, all you wedding filmmakers. I just created a course called How to Film Cinematic Weddings. So in this course, you will learn everything that I've learned through my years of filming weddings. Because on the YouTube channel, everything is just scattered all over the place, and in some cases, I don't go in detail. But in this course, since you guys will be purchasing it, I will go in full-length detail, giving you everything that I have learned through these years of filming weddings. So from the ceremony to reception, to the B-roll, editing wedding trailers, to editing wedding highlights, all the tricks, all the tips, everything, guys. You can actually look at the content before you access it. You can look at everything that the course offers. I know like right now, everything is crazy with the pandemic, and 2020 was worse. 2021, you can get more weddings now because things are slowing down with the pandemic. So with that being in mind and understand that everybody's struggling right now, guys, I've added 50% off on the course. So it's just going to be 50% off. So that way, at least, you know, it's going to be an affordable price. I mean, think about going to film school. How much are you going to pay at film school? But when you come to my course, it's very, very affordable. Anybody can purchase it, especially the beginners. I'm looking at you guys, you know, because you guys want to get established in the business. So I want to help you with this course. We're adding more bonuses, and I'll keep adding more stuff for you guys in the course. So make sure you check the video at the end of this video, or you can just click the link in the description, the first link, if you don't want to wait till the end of the video. So thank you, guys. Let's get back to the video now.